Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on how to use AI tools and R coding to produce some beautiful data products. In this video, we're going to create a line chart by groups. Just as before, I'm just going to copy my prompt from here and I'm just going to put that into my Gemini. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy some of my code from the previous video. So if you did not watch the last video where we created a simple line chart, please go back and watch that video. So if you watch the video, then the thing that I'm going to do in this video should make sense. I'm just going to copy this first part because it's literally the same instruction from the last video. And then the only thing I need to change here is provide some information on the grouping variable, which is going to be PETHM, which means race and ethnicity, and coded as 1 equals white, 2 equals black, 3 equals other, and 4 equals Hispanic. Next, I believe in my instruction, I should make something clear that I have not made it clear. And of course, I'm going to update this instruction, this prompt, and I'm going to share the prompt with you on my website and also right below this video in the description. But the part that I believe I need to change is this. Show me R code using ggplot2 to create a grouped line chart showing the average of y variable for each level of the x variable separately for each group. I think I need to say use facets to separate the groups. I believe that's the missing piece here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click submit and let's see what happens. I'm super excited about this because this might be the hardest graph in this course that we are going to create. So let's see if this really works. I'm just going to click copy and then I'm going to paste the code here. Select all this, click run, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Yes, it did produce the code correctly and this is precisely what I wanted. So rather than getting a line chart for the whole sample, I wanted to get line charts showing the relationship between age and financial well-being for each race and ethnicity group. Now, this was a really advanced graph. If you know how to code like without using AI, you would realize how difficult it is to write the code to produce something as complex as this one. But I hope this video has been useful to convince you that with these amazing AI tools, you can use R coding and produce these amazing graphs.